student, if you have the right information, it can get successful.
Okay.
There's no problem. And this time you need to take admission from your country just one time, because now is different. Because before people come and they get any course, and they come Australia, then they change the course. But now is not right thing to do, because they change the law. So if you get a course, maybe a little expensive, but you are safe. Because what the people do before many years, they get any course, which one they get visa,
Yeah.
and they arrive in Australia. Then after 6 months, they change the course to cheaper one.
Okay. So you know me, it's Emin Hamrulain is CEO manager, and I have an agency Travel International, and this is what I can to talking to you about something. If you wanna to discussion about if you wanna to working with me or assistance for my student, if you wanna to be with me in this program for students. And this is very good if you are living in Australia, you know more than me, and you know exactly the information, exactly what's happening there. So this is what I asking you. So it's very progress for like apply for my student there in Australia. He wanted to find in the college, very good college for, I don't know, it's like a many specialty exactly in there. So I don't know if you wanna to
Yeah.
tell me that, or you gonna be working
No,
with me,
it's
or
it's okay. I can guide you. I have a people here. I have an agent. They can apply. But as I said, first thing, they should be all document genuine, no fake document.
okay,
And second, they should have a good score in English.
yeah,
So without English, visa no proof. So now you have to have a good score in English. And I can suggest you all the course, which one is good.
yeah,
And you can apply the visa, right?
yeah, exactly. But the first one, you wanna to admission in some college for study mechanic or electricity something, because I have a friend wanna apply, like student is very important for who wanna apply for some college. I wanted to help me about that, and I can pay to you, no problem with that. For some student or something like that, so no problem with that, Kevin. And I'm very good for talking to you to advise me or like enlighten me for information.
So they already have the English score, IELTS, OPT.
Score, it's a grady, it's like a lessons in Algeria now. It's like a system LMD. It's like a license master and a PhD, you know. So you have 3 years in university, so it's very very important. You wanna to apply in something, and you wanna after student wanna after complete this the education, you wanna to work in there.
Yeah, but the first thing, they have to have an English score, IELTS, OPTE.
Okay, and you can write to me if you, because I don't have anything about Australia. If you wanna to give me some information, we can do this, and we can send you all document if you need to help me for get admission, and then can working together.
Yeah, admission, no problem. Like you never heard about IELTS, OPTE.
Okay, yeah,
IELTS, you don't know about the IELTS, OPT English exam. You don't know.
no, I don't know
Yeah,
information.
this is the first document you need if someone apply for any Western country like America, Canada, England, Australia, New Zealand. So in fourth country we can do in Europe as well, but if they wanna come to Australia or this country, they have to have an English score. That's the first thing, English score, at least six each. So the people who good in the computer, they can do PTE. I will send you the message PTE.
PTE is like a capital
Yeah.
PTA. Yes, I know this test. Okay, I have
Yeah, PTE. They have to have a PTE first.
I can show you my screen, please. I can show you my screen for just show you exact link. Um, just a second.
PTE exam for Australia.
for Australia? Okay. I know. I thinking it's I have in the platform, but I don't know exactly. Uh,
They
yeah.
have in every country. They, if some people from your country to go to study in Western country, they have this score first, English score, English exam.
Yes.
It's not very hard. It's not very hard. If someone didn't do nothing, maybe 2 months, at least 2 months practice, they can get a score.
Okay.
But
So
without IELTS or PTE score, university no give admission.
okay. Okay. So this is very important for my student.
Yes, this is the first thing you need a PTE or IELTS score, and you pay after that there's only enrollment, just only enrollment and admission. Yeah, but the PTE you need.
Okay. Okay. So
So some people practice PTE. You can check YouTube and everything, and there is a center who can give exam. But it's in every country. They should have in your capital country as well.
okay. So we can reservation the test first.
Yeah,
PTE is like a uh, I don't know. It's like exactly, but
you check the YouTube with the IELTS or PTE. So whichever suits to the student, whichever thing they can do easy, they can do PTE easy or they can do IELTS easy. Any of them.
okay. Okay.
But now many people do PTE because PTE exam is more easier.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
the first one is
when you get admission, you need a PTE score.
okay. So okay, we can do this. And if you know information about the college or something like that,
Yeah, everything is ready. Once someone have the PT ready, they want to get admission. I can get the offer letter. I can get. I have agents. I have agents for everything for Europe, for Australia. So they can get you admission letter. Once you get admission letter, then you pay the fees. Then you can apply the visa. You apply the visa or no?
no, it's the visa is not. It's just one or two first one the admission. In Algeria, it's
Yeah, admission.
some
Yeah,
countries
admission
have.
letter we can get from here. They you can get an offer letter. You can get admission letter. The good university, and I tell you where to take admission to get a PR here. Because now is some cities have a good like regional. In the metro city area is very getting little hard to get a settlement, to get a PR. But if you heard the city name Perth, Adelaide, South Australia, they have a good opportunity. And then some student is very serious. They can take admission in aged care, nursing, and trade courses. They are very good at the moment.
Okay, okay, very good.
Yeah.
So you can, Kevin, you can uh, give me the or information about that, or I can send you the document for my student. You can give me the admission, or you can yeah, help me for that, and I can pay to you if you want.
Yeah,
So
no problem. But the admission, the first thing is if a student did the bachelor degree, like 10th pass or 12th pass, not very good. 12th pass is okay, but I prefer they should finish a graduation first.
yeah, it's finished. It have 30 years in university, so it's finished. It
Yes,
have a
yes. Uh,
bachelor.
the student already finished university. This good because 12 pass student is not very experienced. They have a problem here. They can come, but they have no much experience after 12th pass. They're still no young. They're still very young.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, they still can come if they want after 12th. But the student who did the graduation already did the finish the university, they better.
Yeah, it's finished the university, and I have a diploma and I have a bachelor, and
Yes, yes.
you have a 13 for point in 20. It's very good in Algeria
Yeah.
because it's not have a grad in the Algeria. You know, you have a scores. So
Yes.
we can point in this like a point. It's for 20. So it's 13. It's very good point in this education.
Yeah, but the main thing, they should have a PT score to get admission. That's the first thing.
Okay, so
Because
we cannot
no
use.
university, no university give you admission without the English score. Is if his student is good, 1 month they can get it, no problem. 1 month training, they can get the score.
Okay, so for the university and the college, the same in the college.
No, college this time college is not good success rate for the visa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because college doing some bad things, so the government no accepting. But it's some college is good, some college university is good, still good, but is not like it used to be before 10 years ago. But it's different, but it's still okay.
So what you advise for me if you go into touristic or for tourism or education in Australia because he wanted to apply in this college for study something in what he exactly you want to work in Australia. So
Yes, of course, that's a good thing. You only study where you want to work is better. Most 99% people do the study different, work different because they have no good advice.
okay,
You know, that's why I told you in the first place. You take admission where you want to work in the future, so you don't waste your time and money, and then you change again. So that's why, like my experience, different experience, we didn't have in the knowledge. But you take admission first where you want to work is good.
okay, okay. Thank you
So
so
if
much,
yeah,
Kevin.
if you want to, if your background you study in uh, like uh, like people take admission in IT or some business is not good. You have to take admission where is in demand. Demand the best demand I can tell. Like people don't like to work in aged care. You know aged care.
Healthcare, yes, healthcare, yeah.
Yeah, people don't like to work in aged care, but aged care is number one in Australia.
Yeah, you mean healthcare, like
Health,
a nurse
yes,
who
health,
and
healthcare, aged care, looking after the old people in the nursing home.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
And
and nursing course. But most people don't like to do nursing and aged care.
what's about a mechanic or electricity for
Yeah,
me?
electrician number one.
Let's see number one. Okay.
Yeah, electrician very good at the moment.
Okay. So the advice for me is like the first one test linguistic. It's like a
English.
test of
Yes.
language.
Any student want to take admission, they have to have English course first.
Okay.
If it's first time, maybe it will take you 3 months. If his student is very good, they can finish in 1 month, 2 months, no problem.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kevin. You have many years. I don't wanna talking to you, but it's like busy. And you traveling. I see your video. You traveling some places. You publish that.
Yes, I travel every 3 4 months. I go to new country travel. It's my hobby.
Yes.
Yeah, so I will go back next month, and I will send you my WhatsApp number. And then if any student want to come, tell them to do the English course first. When you get a score, when you get a certificate,
Yes.
then you can take admission any university.
Okay. We cannot work, Kevin. We cannot work together.
Yes, I have an agent. I have a school, college that I can send you the offer letter if they want to get admission.
Please, yes, because it's so supported my clients or my students is very good, and we cannot talking to you. Okay, so just give me your WhatsApp, and we cannot talk. Okay.